Welcome to Techspot. Today I will show you computer launcher in Android mobile. If you're going to install, just deny the access. Then we have to install the computer launcher app. It will take less than 30 seconds. Once it's installed, just open the computer launcher. You can skip this. Enter your device name. I will enter like or. Enable notification. You just click this. Cancel. Okay. It will be like desktop screen in Android mobile phone. It's a window screen. You can find out the apps. Okay, you can find it easily. You can directly go to the message. You can go to the browser, this icon. It's a taskbar. It's a Wi-Fi link. You can see the power, battery, Bluetooth. Okay, all those things you can see here. You can rotate your screen as well. You can add the widgets also. You can start search. You can go to the file explorer. Okay, from the local disk C means it's internal memory. Local disk D means it's external memory. You can see the LAN FTP as well. It's like a USB. You can work it out. You can create a new folder as well as you can compress whatever. You can check the downloaded files from here. You can go to the desktop. You can use it like a window screen in Android mobile phone. You can download the app in the below description. I will share in the below description. Thank you for watching the video. Keep support us. Keep subscribing. Thank you.